happens when you flip a car with the roll cage held together by duct tape? That was a dummy. I'd never get in that car. It's held together by duct tape. But what if you use tape as strong as steel? Manliness. Strong as steel. Here's the thing. You're manly. Your shovels break. Your pipes leak. Your muffler falls off. Because a manly man will not be muffled. So you need a manly solution for those manly problems. Duct tape is temporary and only gets you so far. It keeps the pieces together without actually making things work again. Like my birth did with my parents' marriage. The hardware store may have new shovels and fresh pipes, but a manly man doesn't want to spend his Saturday at a store. Unless store is a code word for a big screen TV that feeds you nachos while you fart. You could call a handyman or a plumber, but they charge you for a consultation, plus the price of any new parts, plus labor, plus your dignity, and your wife, depending on how sexy your plumber is. Well, now there's a manly solution for your manly problems. FiberFix. FiberFix is a special tape that's strong as steel. That's not an expression, it's literally as strong as steel. I'm not prone to hyperbole. FiberFix can be used anywhere. Got a busted pipe? FiberFix it. But only if you want that pipe to function properly for the rest of your mother-loving life, boy, because FiberFix is strong, permanent, and 100% watertight. Repairs like that can cost hundreds of dollars. Fix it yourself with FiberFix and spend the rest of the savings on something manly, like hunting equipment, or a diversified stock portfolio that's sensible yet aggressive enough to expect a reasonable ROI, because that's manly too. A quick FiberFix can save your Saturday. Tool broke? FiberFix it. Saturday saved. Broken stool? Yeah, that's FiberFix, but sanded to be smooth and painted to be beautiful, like the toenails of a brawny woman. Camping in the middle of nowhere with a broken tadpole? FiberFix it. Saturday saved. Exhaust pipes, water heaters, FiberFix can fix it all, and it can withstand temperatures of up to 850 degrees. If it were any stronger, you could use it to repair a volcano. FiberFix is 100 times stronger than duct tape because it uses fiberglass technology. Just dip it in water, wrap it, and wait 10 minutes, bam! Cured, hardened, strong as steel. FiberFix, tougher than nails and softer than nothing because it's FiberFix. It wasn't made to be soft. You want soft, go buy a puppy and a tissue to blow its nose into. You want tough, buy FiberFix. So if you break things and would like to unbreak them, click here to order FiberFix today at fiberfix.com. FiberFix is like a first aid kit. You shouldn't wait until you've cut yourself before you go out and buy one because you'll bleed out and die, according to what I know about cuts. You gotta have that kit ready the moment you need it. Just like you need FiberFix before something breaks. In your house, your glove box, your toolbox, your fanny pack. So when the poop hits the fan, you can wrap that poop in FiberFix. Heaven help that fan. Or maybe you're thinking, do I have to buy FiberFix? Can't I just use 100 times more duct tape? Sure, you could totally do that. Or maybe you're thinking, FiberFix is tape. That can't be a permanent solution. Well, you should stop being such a tape racist, because this is nothing like any other tape you've ever seen before. Yes, this roll cage was held together by nothing but FiberFix. And no, I did not weld it. It's called FiberFix, as in permanent fix. Like when you get your dog fixed, there's no going back. Sorry, boy, here's a tissue. Is FiberFix for women too? Just ask my smoking hot wife. Yes, it is. Back to you, husband. So click here, and we'll send you our Manly Man kit, complete with FiberFix Repair Wrap, heat wrap, and patches. You'll be ready to repair anything, anytime, anywhere, so you can spend the rest of your time winning your wife back from the plumber. So unless you've never broken anything in your life ever, click here to try FiberFix today. FiberFix, for every man, including women.